Then after a very quick turnaround, another milestone will take place as the very first direct Gold Coast to Nadi service departs with an enthusiastic load of holidaymakers heading to Fiji's 333 islands. And for those visitors, their Fiji experience will begin the moment they step on board, with our crew's heartfelt service, genuine care and award-winning Fijian hospitality, which has inspired our vision to be the world's happiest airline. Since tickets first went on sale in December, demand for this route has exceeded expectations, which tells us that there's been strong demand for easier, more seamless travel between both destinations. This service not only makes it easier for Australians to visit Fiji, it will also introduce Fiji to a whole new audience of North American travellers heading to the Gold Coast through seamless one-stop connections via our hub here in Nadi. And for many of those travellers, Fiji will become the perfect tropical stop along the way and hopefully inspire them for a return for a longer stay in the future. Most importantly, this route will bring thousands more visitors to Fiji each year, supporting tourism, local businesses and communities. At Fiji Airways, we are incredibly proud to connect Fiji to the world and to showcase the warmth, the happiness and the spirit of Fiji's people to every single guest who travels with us. To everyone travelling on this historic flight, Vanaka Vakalevu for choosing Fiji Airways. We cannot wait to welcome you on board the world's happiest airline. And to our Fiji media, our dedicated staff, our partners, industry supporters and everyone joining us here today, thank you for being part of such a proud moment for Fiji Airways. Vanaka Vakalevu. Thank you. Now I think I'm inviting, who am I inviting, Kamali?
The Honourable Prime Minister.
The Honourable Prime Minister. Very important. Thank you, Prime Minister.
Thank you. Is it okay there? On top of it? Oh. Okay. It's Paul Scarra, Managing Director and CEO of Fiji Airways. Mr. Nalin Patel, Chairman, Fiji Airways. Mr. Amelia Evans, CEO of Queensland Airport Limited. Dr. Paresh Pant Bolavanaka, CEO of Tourism Fiji. Distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Nisam Bolavanaka, and a very good morning to you all. We acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather this morning. Unua Saunaka, when Maramana Tokianaua. The late father, who in 1970 propped the Fiji rugby team with me on a tour of England. We also pay our respect to the elders, their elders, present, past, and emerging. We're grateful for their enduring partnership and stewardship of the land. They've been partners with Airport Fiji for a long time. They took their case up to the Privy Council, the grandfather of the current Lady Chief of Saunaka. They've given us the opportunity to come together this morning, and we thank them most sincerely for that. I'm pleased to be with you today to witness a significant milestone for Fiji Airways, for our nation, and for the enduring Fiji-Australia relationship. As we mark the departure of Fiji Airways Flight FJ981, the inaugural direct flight, the direct service between Nadi and the Gold Coast of Australia. I thank the Deputy Prime Minister, soon to be Acting Prime Minister, as soon as we take off. Gave him a last minute message last night. When you left the conference we were at, I had not told you or asked you to act on my behalf while I'm away. But please, try and be at the airport tomorrow. And he said, I'm on my way. This launch of a new air route is the opening of a new gateway of opportunities between Fiji and one of Australia's most dynamic and fastest growing regions. It is a gateway that strengthens our people-to-people ties. It expands economic engagement and reflects the deepening of the renewed and elevated Wale partnership, which continues to guide cooperation between Fiji and Australia across trade, investment, tourism, labor mobility, and sustainable development. This moment is also aligned with Fiji's long-term development direction under the Fiji Vision 2050, which seeks to build a more competitive, resilient, and globally connected economy, anchored in strong international partnerships and expanded market access. The Gold Coast is one of Australia's most vibrant and rapidly expanding urban economies. As the country's sixth largest city, as we've heard, it is globally recognized for its tourism industry, sporting culture, lifestyle, economy, and growing innovation ecosystem. With strong population growth, significant infrastructure development, and preparations for the Brisbane 2032 Olympic and Paralympic Games, the region is firmly positioned as one of Australia's most important growth corridors. For Fiji, that makes the Gold Coast a natural economic and tourism partner. The region's strong outbound leisure market aligns directly with Fiji's tourism offering. Families, adventure travelers, surfers, business visitors, and short break tourists. This new direct service will make travel simpler, faster, and more efficient by removing the need for many passengers to transit through other Australian cities. That simplicity is not incidental. It is economically significant. Because of improved connectivity links to opportunities, it connects travelers to destinations, businesses, markets, investors to the new prospects. We welcome our role in that development. Tourism remains the most important pillar of Fiji's economy and a key driver of inclusive growth and a government policy priorities. I've been defending my Deputy Prime Minister right through this fuel crisis as he hammers home the point. We must keep Fiji Airways flying. We must keep the tourism gates open. We must keep the hotels busy. And the minister said, what about us? What about us? This growth today, or this new development today, directly and indirectly support thousands of Fijian families and tourism. Hotels, resorts, transport services, this is where our people work. These are the places where they work. Retail, art, culture, and community enterprises. They're all going to be affected by this growth. The addition of this service will provide more than 53,000 new seats annually between Fiji and the Gold Coast market. This builds on the nearly 500,000 Australian visitors who travelled to Fiji last year. Australia remaining one of our largest source markets and one of our most important economic partners. These seats represent more than capacity. They represent opportunities for tourism operators, opportunities for small and medium enterprises, opportunities for investors, and opportunities for stronger people-to-people connections. This new route further strengthens Fiji's strategic objective of becoming the leading aviation hub of the Pacific, consistent with our national development agenda. Nadi International Airport is increasingly serving as a critical gateway, not only to Fiji, but to the wider Pacific region. Through Fiji Airways' expanding network, passengers from the Gold Coast can now connect seamlessly through Nadi to destinations across Fiji, the Pacific, North America, and beyond. This includes efficient onward connectivity to major international destinations such as Los Angeles, San Francisco, Vancouver, and Honolulu. In that way, Fiji is strengthening its position as a connective hub between the Pacific and the global economy, supporting our broader Vision 2050 aspiration of deeper global integration. We acknowledge the Fiji Airways community, and we commend them for its continued leadership, innovation, and strategic expansion. Congratulations. Under the leadership of Mr. Paul Skara and his team, Fiji Airways continues to demonstrate strong confidence in Fiji's economic future and aviation sector. Our national airline is more than just a carrier. It is a flag bearer of Fiji's identity, of Fiji's values, and of Fiji's global presence. Every Fiji Airways aircraft operating internationally promotes Fiji as a destination for tourism, investment, and opportunity. Its continued growth reflects confidence in Fiji's stability, connectivity, and long-term economic trajectory. I acknowledge Queensland Airport Limited, Gold Coast Airport, Tourism Fiji, the Queensland Government, and all stakeholders who have worked collaboratively to make this service a reality. This achievement reflects the strength of partnership between governments, aviation stakeholders, and the private sector working together towards shared economic outcomes. It demonstrates what can be achieved when we align around a common vision of connecting opportunities and expanding prosperity. As this inaugural flight prepares for departure, we are not only launching a new service, we are opening a new chapter in the Fiji-Australia relationship. I'm confident that this route will increase visitor arrivals, strengthen business and investment links, expand trade opportunities, and deepen the bonds between our peoples. More importantly, it supports Fiji's broader national priorities of economic transformation, export expansion, and private sector-led growth under our Vision 2050. To all passengers on this inaugural flight, thank you for being part of this historic moment. I wish you all a safe journey to the Gold Coast and I look forward to seeing this service grow from strength to strength in the years ahead. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Hello.
Thank you, Honourable Prime Minister, for your kind words of encouragement and support. On behalf of the MD and the board chairman, we appreciate greatly the support. Much appreciated. It is my pleasure now to invite Dr. Paresh Pan, Chief Executive Officer of Tourism Fiji, to please come and deliver his address. Thank you.
Nimbula Vinaka, everyone. I wish to first acknowledge the land on which we stand, the elders past, present and emerging, and now the Honourable Prime Minister, Mrs. Prime Minister, Honourable Deputy Prime Minister, Chairperson of Fiji Airways Limited, CEO of Fiji Airways, and a long-time acquaintance. I think I've been here Evans from Griffith University days. So welcome. Thank you so much for being here, as well as the
961 bound for Adelaide is now ready for boarding through gate number 3. Once again, the Fiji Airways flight FJ 961 bound for Adelaide is now boarding through gate number 3. Kind reminder to all guests to please have your passports and boarding passes ready for inspection before boarding the flight. We thank you for choosing to fly Fiji Airways this morning, and we hope that you have a pleasant and enjoyable flight. And
right. Yeah, about time to go, right? Cross the speech, time to go. And invited media, Bula Vinaka. It's a great pleasure indeed. I share the same sentiment with Paul Skara as well, that it is also my first destination since we both started a few months out of each other, and I think even for me it's even more special because prior to this I used to live on the Gold Coast for 13 years. So yeah, there's a lot of very happy emotions about that. So, but you know, like as the Honourable Prime Minister said, that this is not just about another service, it's the opportunity to bring the connection of Australians and Fijians Buvale together. And by adding the additional 53,000 return seats, in addition to just bringing in visitors, there's also that opportunity as well to tap into other markets such as the conference market, conference and incentive market. We've also spoken about the fastest growing economy of Gold Coast with 1 million people. But if we think even further through, Gold Coast, Queensland Airport Limited, the Gold Coast, the Coolangatta Airport where it's based, it's also a lovely catchment basin for the northern New South Wales connectivity as well. So you look from Coffs Harbour, Lismore, all that area, right up to Helensvale and Ormo area. So it's a massive catchment area. And you know, like when you look at the commonalities between Fiji and Gold Coast, we're a nice relaxing destination. Yeah, Gold Coast is too, but we are far more friendly, I think. Because it says in our DNA where happiness comes naturally. So I think part of the journey as well. So if you think of Queenslanders wanting to come to Fiji and choosing the alternative further north, which I'm not allowed to say, right? So when you think of the Gold Coast Airport, you arrive there relaxed. It's an open planned airport, fairly nice. So your holiday feeling that you want when you come to Fiji, you feel in that slightly more relaxed state, traveling through Coolangatta Airport on the Gold Coast. So that's fantastic. There's fantastic addition there as well. The great mice market, but we should not also leave behind our local people. When you think about the Palm Labour Scheme, a lot of workers, they work in those catchment areas from Lismore. They work as nurses, caregivers. They work in the farms and so forth. So you've made it very easy, Paul and Emilia, by facilitating that access from Coolangatta to Nadi. So Vinaka for that as well. And I'm also excited that holidaymakers also choice is really important these days. Everybody lives a busy, stressed life, and when we think from a psychological point of view, the easier you make it for people to travel, the better it is. And when you think of Gold Coast's fastest growing population, most of them, over the past COVID years, they've moved from the southern states into this lovely part of the world, and they still like Fiji, they still want to go to Fiji, but they still want a quick and easy, convenient access. So that's what Coolangatta Airport, the Gold Coast Airport, provides. And so I'm very excited. I'm very excited for this service. I'm very excited for the passengers on board this service, and may there be many more happy journeys on this Nadi Coolangatta service. Naka Vakalevu, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Pareshpan. Isn't it amazing that Tourism Fiji calls country Fiji where happiness comes naturally? And Fiji Airways, we call it the happiest airline in the world. Isn't it amazing, these synergies? It's my pleasure now to invite Ms. Amelia to please come and deliver her address as the CEO of Gold Coast Airports. Thank you.
Good morning, and Bula. Thank you, and the Honourable Prime Minister Rabuka, dignitaries, Nayland, Paul, Dr. Pant, and of course everyone who's here today. It is such a pleasure for me to represent the Gold Coast and be here from the Gold Coast Airport perspective to be part of your celebration on the first flight from Nadi to the Gold Coast today. We know that this is an important connection, not only because it is a route that Fiji Airways is putting on, but because it is a time of partnership. And these things don't happen without great partnership. So we're very excited that today is the day that we launch this new service and strengthening our connection between two very popular destinations, the Gold Coast and Fiji. And you talked about happiness. Gold Coast is full of happiness, but I know every time I come to Fiji, I feel very happy. So I'm very lucky to be here. But Australians love Fiji. We know that. We see so many people travel to Fiji every year. And the Gold Coast, the 2 million people that live in our catchment, this is a new opportunity for them to experience what Fiji can give them, to bring us all closer with our Fijian community in the Gold Coast and Brisbane area as well. It's a huge community, and they will all be at the airport welcoming you all today, so I'm looking forward to seeing them. We also know that this connection is going to be really important as a central hub to the US and to Canada for our region. We have a lot of people in Australia love going to the US and Canada, but we also are seeing a lot of demand coming through from Canada and the US. And so this connection will really build on that and make it a success. So for now, thank you, Paul, Fiji Airways, the whole team for making this happen. We're very proud to have this partnership with Fiji Airways and the Fiji community. Vanaka Vakalevu, and I look forward to joining you all on this flight today. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Amelia Han. Much appreciated. It's my pleasure now to invite the chairperson of Fiji Airways, Mr. Nalin Patel, to please come and deliver his closing remarks. Good night.
Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Sitiveni Rabuka, Mrs. Rabuka, Honorable DPM, Mr. Gavoka, CEO Gold Coast Airport, Ms. Amelia Evans, CEO Tourism Fiji, Dr. Pant, Fiji Airways MD CEO Paul Skara, fellow directors, distinguished guests, partners, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you. Before we conclude today's proceedings, I would like to take a moment to reflect on what this represents, not just for Fiji Airways, but for Fiji. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Sitiveni Rabuka, and thank him for joining us on this important occasion. Sir, your continued support to Fiji aviation and tourism, and indeed Fiji Airways, is very deeply appreciated. I would also like to acknowledge Honorable DPM Gavoka, Paul Skura, our Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Ms. Amelia Evans, CEO of the Gold Coast Airport, Dr. Pant, CEO of Tourism Fiji, our valued tourism and industry partners, members of the media, and our Fiji Airways and Fiji Link Vuvale team. Today's inaugural service to the Gold Coast is a result of planning, partnership, and investment. It reflects the confidence we have in the future of Fiji's tourism industry, the strength of our national airline, and the opportunities that exist when we continue to expand our reach to key international markets. As chairman, I'm particularly proud of this route as to what this route represents. It demonstrates Fiji Airways' commitment to sustainable growth, strategic network expansion, and creating long-term value for our shareholders, our tourism industry, and the people of Fiji. The Gold Coast is one of the fastest growing regions and an important economic and tourism hub, as we have earlier had. Establishing this direct connection strengthens our position in a market that continues to be critically important to Fiji and opens new opportunities for visitors, businesses, and communities on both sides of this connection. I would like to commend our management team led by Paul Skura, together with our esteemed employees across the Fiji Airways Group, for their dedication and the professionalism that they have today, that have made today's milestone possible. The success of Fiji Airways is built on hard work of our people, and today's achievement belongs to every member of our Vuvale. To our partners in government, tourism, aviation, business, resort owners, thank you for your collaboration and support, and strong partnership continues to be the heart of Fiji Airways' success. And finally, to our guests traveling on this inaugural service, thank you for being part of history. We hope you enjoy the journey and experience the warmth and hospitality that makes Fiji Airways truly special. Today we celebrate a new route, but more importantly, we celebrate new connections, new opportunities, and a shared future between Fiji and Gold Coast. On behalf of the Fiji Airways board, we look forward to welcoming many more travelers to this route in the years ahead. Nakavakalevu.
Inakavakalevu, Mr. Nalin Patel. This brings us to a close of our formal part, and so before we proceed to the other room with the media for a one-on-one question and answer, I'd like to invite the guests to please, let's take a picture together, and then we'll proceed, and after that we'll go and have breakfast together. So I respectfully invite you, Honorable Prime Minister Randini and Honorable DPM, to please join us here in the front.